2020 izigungu zokhetho ezizoba khona ezivela emhlabeni wonke. Ukhomishana uzothatha isikhundla sokuba uhlalo wesigungu ngemuva kokusebenza njengephini likahlalo iminyaka emithathu.
There are certain strategic things that we want to achieve, amongst which each is electoral scholarship. So we're going to be working with South African universities to grant senior degrees in election management as part of our contribution of building an international legacy.
Ucwaningo lukhombisa ukunganaki kwabavoti ikakhulukazi entsheni emhlabeni jikelele. Okhethweni langonyaka ondlule eNingizimu Afrika, abantu abayizigidi ezisishiyagalombili kuphela abavotile ebantwini abayizigidi ezingama-26 ababhalisele ukuvota. Lesi sigungu sizobheka lezi zinto.
We're going to be discussing measures to mitigate democratic recession. As you can see from throughout the world, there are pockets of people challenging the authenticity of results and challenging the elections as a mechanism of conferring authority on those who govern.
Ngesikhathi yebuzwa ngeqhaza likahlalo ekulungiselelweni kokhetho likazwelonke ngo-2024, isikhulu esiphezulu se-IEC siphendule kanje.
We will be building sufficient capacity within our structure to ensure that there is undivided attention to this important international work without negating and detracting from the work that we need to do to prepare for 2024.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kanye nowayengumengameli wakuleli uThabo Mbeki ngezinye zesicukuthwane ezizothamela lesi sigungu.